Baby, beat your grade for wardrobe. Hello?
Anything up to you lah.
What up to me, up to me? This is our new home. What do you mean?
I say another color you can accept meh?
Wait, calm down. No need to fight. You can customize any color you want. We can settle for you.
Really?
Yes. Okay, so you can also choose this color in the different profile. This one is the rectangle one, this one is the round one.
Renovation should not ruin relationship. Hobi, making your home smile.